Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do another magazine flip through. I want to show you another magazine that my husband found for me at a thrift store, I guess you could say, for 10 cents. He found several of these for 10 cents. A bunch of them are work basket, but this, he got me 2 crochet worlds, and I just think they are too stinking cute. And I want to take a minute to show you guys. I've already done one last week, so I want to do this one this week. How's that sound, right? I know holidays are over, but it's adorable, and I love it. So this is Crochet World December 2008. 28 fun and fabulous holiday and winter designs. Let's make merry. Celebrate Christmas, party New Year's, give thanks. Last minute stocking stuffers, fiery socks, and more. Make 2 boutique quality necklaces. Okay, let's just get right into it. This looks like it's going to have some cute stuff in it. Ooh, look at this. So this one is Angel Baby Afghan. Look at that. Can you see it? So I can see the fillet angel. Does it say something underneath it? No, it's just a solid piece. Okay. That is very, very pretty. I like that a lot. Oh, that is the winner for the winner circle. It is Rhonda Guthrie's. It says, for as long as I can remember, my mother was always working on an Afghan for a family member. Sorry, I got a text. It says, I grew up as one of 4 girls, so as you can imagine, she had a crochet hook in her hand almost every night. Since she has grown up, not one baby has been born who didn't receive a special handmade Afghan. About 5 years ago, I decided to take up crochet as a hobby. I love relaxing in front of the TV after a long day with a soft blanket coming together in my lap. I began making Afghans to donate to our local hospital's preemie ward. That's cute. But couldn't find an angel pattern I liked. I prefer not to change colors or sew pieces together, but still wanted a pretty blanket, so I designed this angel Afghan to fit the bill. My mother urged me to submit the design to Crochet World. I was totally shocked and surprised to have been accepted for publication. The Angel Baby Afghan is Rhonda's first published design. Well, that is cute. Great job. Here's the Gingerbread People doily. What a delicious Christmas doily. A parade of sweet gingerbread people marches around the edge of this unique and fun doily. I think this is too stinking cute. And the doily itself is very pretty. Like if you didn't put the gingerbread people on there, this is like a optical illusion. I like that a lot. Okay, now we have a chic beaded necklace. Beginners will easily master this boutique quality, stylish beaded necklace. It's simply a chain embellished with beads. Chic. That's what it says, just chic. All right. We have a Jenny gingerbread doll. This is too cute. Ah, I love that. Oh, and she's holding a rolling pin. Did you see that? It says, this 16-inch tall cutie is as sweet as her name. Not only is our huggable gingerbread doll suitable for little arms to hold, she comes complete with her own gingerbread dolly. That's cute. I love that. Oh, here's a textured tunic. Washable wool is a splendid choice for this marvelous shell pattern tunic style sweater. Wear this soft and warm pullover during those cold, snowy winter days. Makes a great gift too. I love that color. Okay. Oh my. Holly Jolly Child's Tunic and Hat. This wonderful jester-like child's tunic with a zany and fun hat is sure to delight any child on your list, whether for Christmas or a winter birthday. I like what they were going for. I'm not a huge fan of it. What are the colors? It says multi, paprika multi, and navy grape. I don't know. Anyway, now we have a stained glass jacket revisited. They must have changed the design, maybe. It's a cute little granny square jacket. All right. Next. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I thought that was a Christmas tree skirt. Dang it. But this is very pretty. It just says Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa in his sleigh with his 8 reindeer flies over the newly fallen snow in this one-of-a-kind filet runner that's sure to become a heirloom piece. I like this a lot. That is very pretty. Very pretty. And it's cute. The reindeer are adorable. Okay. Oh. Sorry. Yawned out of nowhere. Here is a beaded treetop angel. And she's holding a little French horn. Well, hold on. There we go. That is really nice. And I love the hair. The hair is yarn or thread. Aunt Lydia's Fashion Crochet Metallic size 10 crochet or 5 crochet cotton. Here we've got some delicate snowflakes. They got little ribbon roses in the center of it. Ooh. Here is a woven Christmas mat. The colors of Christmas look beautiful on this unique woven mat. It's so versatile that it could be used as a centerpiece under a bouquet of Christmas flowers, or if you make more than one as placemats. That's what I was thinking it was placemats for your guests. That is really pretty. I am going to have to pause this for just a second. I will be right back. Okay, sorry about that. All right, now we have a really pretty country Christmas plaid afghan. I like this. It says, Christmas decorating isn't complete unless there's a holiday-inspired afghan to snuggle up with. Here's a beauty. I'm trying to see. I think the white is actually like a speckled yarn, and then there's a strand of white, green, and red that run up the center. So I like that. That's pretty interesting. It's creative. Let's see. Ooh, now we have a Christmas tree skirt. Very nice. And now we have a glittery New Year's wrap. This is pretty. I'm I'm trying to speak, but I'm trying to say is I'm not trying to rush, but I'm trying to go a little bit faster. Oh, wow, look at this. This is perfect for Valentine's Day. This is a circular tapestry hearts Afghan. I don't know why that was so hard to say. It's pretty. Oh, it looks... I don't know. Anyway. Ooh, Harvest Stripes Throw. I like that one too. Okay. Anyway, denim pullover. This is nice. I'd put a little jacket over that. And then we have ear posies. My camera got really dark again. There's something in the settings I'm gonna have to go mess around with. Here is a jewel toned scarf and hat set. And then here's a pair of fiery socks. Ooh, here's a really pretty necklace. Here's a sampler baby set. Oh, this is cute. It's an Afghan, a bonnet, but it looks like a what, those hats that football players wore like back in the 30s and the 40s, and then a sweater. Cute. All right, what do we have now? Looks like patterns, pattern. That may be it. There's a lot of filet. Yeah, that's it. That is it. So I did have to get a little bit faster because I've got something off camera waiting for me. So, having said that, thank you all so very much for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.